Hi guys, this is Andy from Mobile Must Have, and today we're going to walk through an unboxing and kind of quick demo of the 300p RVS. Now this is a Viair air inflation device designed specifically for towables, but could work in other aspects depending on your use case. So let's kind of open the box and dive in. Alright, so all comes in this great little carry case, which I have to say I have the old color scheme. The new color scheme's great, but the case does hold up. This sits in the back of my truck, and I've had it just kind of hanging out, really not protected that well, and it's done really well over 3 years of use. So we're just going to kind of quickly take out the plastic. All right, now with these, minimal kind of setup is required, but it's really just about getting the kind of the air filter on and in place. So we're going to do that for this one. Just real quick to set it up. It takes maybe 5 minutes, and you're just kind of opening this up and putting this all in the right spot. Now with this model, some assembly is required. It's really quite minimal though. You're basically going to get the air filter that comes detached so it doesn't break off during shipping. You have to remove kind of the cover plug and then twist this on. It comes with extra filters and everything you need to really make this a long-term pump without buying extra parts. But with that quick assembly, we're basically done. Now you can go and power this up on your positive and negative of any battery. You could use the RV house battery, you could use a car battery, doesn't really matter. That's kind of what, it's really flexible and really great. So in the front, you're going to get this big, long snake cable that connects directly to the pump here. Just kind of, you pull it back and then push it in and then it'll lock in place. And then right on the end, you're going to have your PSI reader, and then you're going to have basically your inflation. So you push this on the tire, snap it on, and you have full power, or full connection to the tire, I guess. And you also have a couple bags with accessories if you need to use this pump for other things, tires, bike stuff, anything like that. And that's really it. The kit is pretty simple. It's all self-contained within the case. And then with all of this long power cords, you can reach any tire, I believe up to like 50 feet. So this would even work well for our fifth wheel. And we're 60 feet bumper to bumper, so it's a good option for that. Now that we have everything unboxed, we're going to do a quick demo just to kind of show you how it works. So I'm going to go connect this to my RV battery, and we're going to check the tire pressure on our tires here, and I'll show you how it works. We're going to do the negative first, and we're going to connect the positive. All right, and now we have everything hooked up. We've run our cable where we needed it. You can go hit the power button and fill up the tires. Now this one's pretty great because you have everything kind of all inclusive. You don't have to worry about other attachments. This top nozzle kind of will push in and rotate. So if you need it at a different angle, that will work well too. And overall, this is a great device. These tires take 80 pounds of pressure. So we're going to make sure they're fired up to 80 pounds and we're good to go.